Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide an application from your home screen on iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to hide an application from your home screen is quite easy. So you just need to decide which application that you want to hide from your home screen. For example, today I would like to hide this Digo, and to hide this application you just need to click and hold the application while move it a little bit, and there will be all of the applications start to be shaking. And after that you just need to click this minus buttons in the corner of the application that you want to hide, and after that you just need to click remove from home screen. Okay, so that will be do the same for the rest of the application. If you want to hide this applications too, so you just need to do the same, click the minus button and just go click remove, and now those application will be hidden from the home screen. After you finish hide several applications, you just need to go click done, and that's it. So that's the way how to hide application on or from your home screen in iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel for more other tutorials. See you for the next video.